Found myself in a trouble trying to remove this crankset. It has this bolt right here, and the only tool I have is this one to remove the square style crankset, the bottom bracket. So if I put this one just like that, it won't work because this is smaller than the hole is right there. So what I did, I found my friend right here, this bolt, this laying around. It's a perfect sizing to put it right there. Goes free into this thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick this thing in here. Now I have enough space to put this tool right here, giving some space right here. I'm gonna put it right here. And twist it around, and what happens there, now I have, even though I don't have the tool to do that one, it's already loose because I already did it. It'll come out. Just need a friend like this one for you to be able to get this crankset out of the place. Right now this one is loose, it's already ready to come out. I'm gonna give a little more. That's it. Voila. I didn't have that tool to get this crankset out, but I found this bolt that's laying around. Perfect sizings. It won't mess up the threading here, and it'll be perfect to get this leg out of this crankset. Nice.